Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a Dodge Journey engine. Before you begin, always ensure the engine is completely cool to the touch, which usually takes several hours after driving. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Also, cover all sensitive electrical components like the alternator and fuse box with plastic bags. Don't forget to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands from cleaning agents. Now that safety precautions are in place, let's tackle the grime. First, remove any loose debris, like leaves or twigs, from the engine bay. Then, apply a good quality engine degreaser generously to all dirty surfaces, focusing on areas with heavy oil and grease buildup. Let the degreaser sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to break down the dirt. For really stubborn spots, use a soft bristled brush to gently agitate the grime. After degreasing, it's time to rinse. Use a low-pressure water spray, like from a garden hose, to thoroughly rinse away the degreaser and loosen dirt. Be careful to avoid spraying directly into any electrical components or the air intake. Once rinsed, use compressed air to blow out water from crevices or wipe down surfaces with a clean microfiber towel. Ensure everything is completely dry before removing the plastic coverings from your electrical parts. With the engine clean and dry, you're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's secure. For an extra touch, you can apply an engine dressing or protectant to plastic and rubber components. This will give your engine bay a nice, clean shine and help protect surfaces from future dirt and grime. Take a final look for any missed spots and wipe them clean. Regular cleaning, perhaps every 3 to 6 months, will keep your Dodge Journey engine looking its best.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.